the relationship between ELT and PNP. ELT, English Language Teaching, and PNP, Phonetics and Phonology. And the discussion point here is that how can you better teach phonetics and phonology? Though we explored phonetics and phonology within this course. And we also explored the possibilities of research in PNP. And now it's the time to discuss the teaching of PNP, phonetics and phonology. That how can you be a very good teacher of phonetics and phonology? Or how can you enhance your potential, your skills, and your techniques as the teacher of phonetics and phonology? And our focus is on the pedagogical implication of PNP, that you would use a particular pedagogy for PNP. The point is that phonetics and phonology is an integral part of applied linguistics. And applied linguistics, of course, ELT, English Language Teaching. We cannot really teach English language as a language if we are not focusing on phonetics and phonology, because we need to teach not only the production of sounds, but we are also required to teach the listening of sounds, okay? So that our students are not only very good listeners, but they are also very good speakers. We need them to train them for the sake of being good speakers, so that their pronunciation is polished and they are very good speakers, okay? So that's the point, that you should use those techniques, those skills for teaching phonetics and phonology. And the point is also, understandable when you use the contrastive analysis, okay? So that you look for similarities between the mother tongue of the learners and then the target language, which is under study, okay, which is being taught by the teacher, by the expert. So that's a very good technique, contrastive analysis. You can do that, and then you can create phonology-based activities. Phonology-based activities are that your focus is on the teaching of sounds, okay? You are directly, indirectly, consciously or unconsciously, through dialogues, through role plays, through activities within classroom, and then also taking your class outside the classroom so that they can interact with people in English language, and they are very good, speakers of English. So that's the possibility. And there are resources. You can go to the homepage of TESOL, right? Teaching of English to the speakers of other languages, okay? TESOL. Just Google it. It's a very common, very popular website. There are so many journals available on TESOL. There are so many activities available in this TESOL page, on this TESOL page. And you can see the researches of the experts, and you can also look for activities which are very effective, which are very influential, and you can apply them within your own classroom. You can also access HEC, Higher Education Commission. And there is a particular wing which is called ALTER or ELTR, ALTER, English Language Teaching Reform. It's a section where the researches, where the trainings of teachers, they are carried out. You can write to them, and you can also visit their webpage, okay? So that's also a very good resource. And there are other resources as well, like you can explore the British Council activities. There are videos, there are pronunciation activities, there is the vowel description, the vowels which you studied within this course. You can explore them, and you can try to teach them to your students by using those minimal sets, by using those very effective activities which are done by experts, and they are freely available to you, right? So that's a big resource for the teachers of phonetics and phonology, English phonetics and phonology, okay? So that's a very good, platform. And there are so many such platforms which could be used by the teachers of phonetics and phonology. And you, as an expert of phonetics and phonology now, you must focus always on teaching pronunciation to your students. And there are various ways. Another very good way is to teach pronunciation through dictionary, okay? Just go and download a very good soft dictionary. It may be available in CD or DVD also. And then you can purchase it from the market as well. And then you can teach specific pronunciation, specific sounds with the help of dictionary. And you can also teach pronunciation with the help of dictionary, which is available in Hard, right? In Hard, when you open the dictionary, you would see that there are IPS symbols given for every word. Any standard dictionary. It could be Oxford Dictionary, or it could be the Cambridge Dictionary, or it could be any other very good standard dictionary. You can use that, and by using your IPS skills now, the transcription skills and the symbols, you would be a very good teacher of phonetics and phonology, and you must be.